Hey guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel Tricky Horty Agree with me with another video which is second part of ICRGRF Horticulture Examination 2019 solved question paper. So let's start. The first question of today's is which one of the following vegetables is not a fruit? Options are tomato, cauliflower, brinjal and okra. Option B, cauliflower is the correct answer. Next question is northern spy is resistant to. Options are apple scab, powdery mildew, bitter pit and woody apple aphid. Option D, woody apple aphid is the correct answer. Next question is leaf shape in black pepper is controlled by. Options are multiple alleles, single recessive gene, two complementary alleles and pleiotropy. Option A, multiple alleles is the correct answer, which is control the leaf shape in black pepper. Next question is the first KVK of the country was established at Pottucherry during the year is. Options are 1960, 1974, 1980 and 1985. Option B, 1974 is the correct answer. Next question is pectin in fruits is present in the form of. Options are pectinase, calcium chloride, calcium nitrate and calcium pectate. Option A, pectinase is the correct answer. Pectin in fruits is present in the form of pectinase enzyme. Next question is the soils which are low in organic matter, high in clay content and high cation exchange capacity are. Options are black soils, alluvial soils, red soils and laterites. Option A, black soil is the correct answer, which are low in organic matter, high in clay content and high in cation exchange capacity. Next question is which type of plant in ideal is cauliflower? Options are type 1st, type 2nd, type 3rd and type 4th. Option C, type 3rd is the correct answer, which is ideal in cauliflower. Next question is chromosome number of capsicum is equal to. Options are 24, 26, 18 and 32. Answer is 24. Chromosome number of capsicum 2n is equal to 24. Next question is what kind of gene action determine the curd color in cauliflower? Options are duplicate, complementary, polymeric and inhibitory. Option B, complementary is the correct answer. Next question is which of the following is a purple flower tree? Options are Begonia purpurea, Cassia fistula, Cassia javanica and Corlea silvestria. Option A, Begonia purpurea is a purple flower tree. Next question is dwarf variety of mango is. Your options are Mallika, Amrapali, Langra and Ratna. Option C, Amrapali is a dwarf variety of mango. Next question is vacuum cooling most suitable for. Options are tuber crops, fruits, flowers and leafy vegetables. Answer is leafy vegetable. Vacuum cooling most suitable for leafy vegetables. Next question is Japanese dinner table arrangement where fruits and vegetables are also used. Wilt flowers is called. Your options are Ikebana, Morobana, Morimono, and Giovanna. Option C, Morimono is the correct answer. Japanese dinner table arrangement where fruits and vegetables are also used is known as Morimono. Next question is, major producer of coconut in the world? Options are Indonesia, Malaysia, India, and Philippines. Option C, India is the major producer of coconut in the world. Next question is, what is the seed rate of onion for raising seedling for 1 hectare area? Options are 3 to 5 kg, 5 to 7 kg, 8 to 10 kg, and 12 to 14 kg. Answer is 8 to 10 kg. Next question is, the arrangement of ornamental plants around a tree is known as? Options are trophy, ikebana, topiary, and carpet bedding. The arrangement of ornamental plants around a tree is known as trophy. Next question is, the cheese industry, what should be the optimum dry matter content of potato tubers? Options are 10%, 10 to 15%, 5 to 10%, and more than 20%. Answer is more than 20%. The chips industry, what should be the more than 20% be the optimum dry matter content of potato tubers. Next question is, cashew apple juice is rich in? Options are folic acid, nicotinic acid, ascorbic acid, and riboflavin. Cashew apple juice is rich in ascorbic acid. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following in mango is mediated by dominant gene? Options are peel color, precocity, dwarfism, and regular bearing. Peel color is the correct answer. Which year the deadline for completion of PMGSY? PMGSY is the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Options are 2019, 2020, 2018, and 2021. Option A, 2019 is the year that is the deadline for completion of PMGSY. Next question is, Durgapur Kesar is a variety of? Options are watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin, and summer squash. Option A, watermelon is the correct answer. Durgapur Kesar is a red color variety of watermelon. Next question is, powdery mildew disease is a serious problem of which of the following crops? Options are root crops, cole crops, cucurbits, and leafy vegetables. Option B, cucurbits is the correct answer. Next question is, the sex form of commonly cultivated black pepper is? Options are monoecious, andromonoecious, gynomonoecious, and gynoecious. Option C, gynomonoecious is the correct answer. Gynomonoecious sex form of commonly cultivated black pepper. Gynomonoecious means having each individual bearing both female and hermaphrodite flower. Next question is, Arka Manorama is a hybrid variety of? Options are gladiolus, tuberose, carnation, and chrysanthemum. Arka Manorama is a hybrid variety of? Option A, gladiolus is the correct answer. Next question is, Picoma grandiflora is a? Options are climbing plant, shrub, evergreen tree, and deciduous tree. Option A, climbing plant. Picoma grandiflora is a climbing plant. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, pruning is rose under North Indian condition is done during. Options are March to April, May to June, October to November, and December to Jan. Pruning in rose under North Indian condition is done during. Option C, October to November is the correct answer. Next question is, National Botanical Research Institute NBRI is situated at. Options are Lucknow, Pune, New Delhi, and Hyderabad. Option A, Lucknow is the correct answer. Next question is, the right stage for banana harvest is when ridges on the surface of the skin change from. Options are angular to round, round to angular, vertical to angular, and angular to vertical. Option A, angular to round is the correct answer. Next question is, main objective of vegetable blanching is. Options are inactivation of enzymes, inactivation of bacteria, fixation of color, and removal of tissue gas. Main objective of vegetable blanching is option A, inactivation of enzymes. Next question is, parent of Pusha Pitambar mango hybrid is. Options are Amrapali into Sensation, Pusa Arunima into Tommy Atkin, Amrapali into Lal Sundari, and Mallika into Sensation. Parentage of Pusa Pitambar is Amrapali into Lal Sundari. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is, name the wild species of tomato which is salt tolerant. Options are Solanum cheesemani, Solanum pimpinellifolium, Solanum chilens, and Solanum pinelli. Option A, Solanum cheesemani is the wild species of tomato which is salt tolerant. Next question is, in the tomato, yellow color of fruit is due to which pigment? Options are lycopene, anthocyanin, carotenoid, and xanthophyll. Option C, carotenoid is the correct answer. Next question is, genetic male sterility in chili maintained through. Options are heterozygous pollinator, homozygous pollinator, mutation, and polyploidy. Option A, heterozygous pollinator is the correct answer. Next question is, bottom heat technique heat treatment is related to. Your options are budding, micro budding, cutting, and layering. Option C, cutting is the correct answer. Next question is, disease of papaya at nursery stage is. Options are damping of, anthracnose, wilting, downy mildew. Option A, damping of disease of papaya at nursery stage. Damping of is the correct answer. Next question is, sweet orange variety developed by IARI New Delhi is. Options are Pusa Surya, Pusa Round, Pusa Sukomal, and Pusa Shrestha. Option B, Pusa Round is the correct answer. It is a variety of sweet orange which is developed by IARI New Delhi. Next question is, in guava, Mrig Bahar season bears flowering in which month? Your options are November to December, Feb to March, June to July, and October to November. Option C, June to July is the correct answer. Next question is, curcuma species having high starch content. Answer is Curcuma angustifolia, having high starch content. Next question is, which of the following statement is not true about the physiological basis of for rooting of cuttings? Answer is cofactor or inorganic compound. Next question is, for population improvement in any crop, the best method is recurrent selection. Next question is, male sterility is common in? Options are carrot, bean, okra and palak. Male sterility is common in carrot. Next question is, ideal range of soil temperature for seed germination of pumpkin ranges between? Options are 20 to 25 degrees centigrade, 30 to 35 degrees centigrade, 5 to 10 degrees centigrade and 15 to 20 degrees centigrade. 20 to 25 degrees centigrade is the correct answer, which is the soil temperature for seed germination of pumpkin. Next question is, little leaf of brinjal is caused by? Answer is mycoplasma. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by mycoplasma. Next question is, crown choking in coconut is due to the deficiency of? Your options are nitrogen, potassium, boron and calcium. Option C, boron is the correct answer. Crown choking in coconut is due to the deficiency of boron. Next question is, monohybrids are derived by hybridizing two individuals which differ for? Answer is single character. Next question is, regularity in bearing of mango to some extent can be induced with the application of paclobutrazole. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, sweet potato requires photo period of how many hours? Answer is 11 hours. Next question is, monoembryonic citrus genotype is? Options are pomelo, acid lime, grapefruit and sweet orange. Pomelo is the correct answer, which is monoembryonic citrus genotype. Next question is, deficiency of MO in cauliflower leads to? Options are brown rot, whiptail, racinus and sun scalding. Option B, whiptail is the correct answer. Whiptail is deficiency of molybdenum in cauliflower leads to whiptail. Next question is, bronzing in guava is due to the deficiency of? Options are zinc, manganese, magnesium and copper. Option A, zinc is the correct answer. Bronzing in guava is due to the deficiency of zinc. Next question is, coriander variety tolerant to whitefly and mites is? Sadhana is the correct answer. Sadhana is the coriander variety which is tolerant to whitefly and mites. Next question is, what is the optimum temperature for growth and heading of cabbage? It is 15 to 20 degrees centigrade, which is the optimum temperature for growth and heading of cabbage. Option C is the correct answer. Coconut water from a tender coconut is? It is a free nuclear endosperm. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, Eonla variety Krishna is a chance seedling from which of the following? Options are Banarsi, Chakya, Francis and Neelam. Option A, Banarasi is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following is a salad vegetable crop based on the classification? Options are onion, tomato, lettuce and carrot. Option C, lettuce is the correct answer, which is salad vegetable crop based on the classification of vegetables. Next question is, the color of golden rice is due to the? Options are carotene, xanthophyll, loss of chlorophyll and lycopene. Option A, carotene is the correct answer. Next question is, palak variety tolerant to Cercospora leaf spot is? Your answer is Pant composite. Pant composite is a palak variety tolerant to Cercospora leaf spot. Next question is, identify below a long duration variety of turmeric. Options are Tekurpal, Suranjana, Suroma and Suguna. Option A, Tekurpal, a long duration variety of turmeric. So option A is the correct answer. Next question is, the training system followed in pomegranate is. Options are open system, central leader system, multi-stem system and spindle bush. Option C, multi-stems training system followed in pomegranate. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is, the Floribunda roses have been developed from the crosses between. Answer is hybrid tea into polyantha. Floribunda roses is developed from the crosses of hybrid tea into polyantha. Next question is, the botanical name of Kasturi, Cochin turmeric is. Answer is Curcuma aromatica. Next question is, Pusa Abhinav is a variety of. Options are acid lime, sweet orange, guava and mango. Option A, acid lime is the correct answer. Pusa Anubhav is a variety of acid lime. Next question is, the area of the home which is viewable from the street is known as. The answer is approach or front or public. All three. Next question is, sugarcane production is maximum in which state? Answer is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, the major share of fruits and vegetables export from India in which country? Option is UAE, United Arab Emirates, Russia, Europe and USA. The major share of fruits and vegetable export from India is from UAE. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, in vegetable improvement programs, which hybridization method is most commonly used? Options are intervarietal hybridization, interspecific hybridization, intergeneric hybridization and distant hybridization. In vegetable improvement programs, intervarietal hybridization method is most commonly used, which is hybridization between two varieties of same species. Next question is, triploid cassava variety is CO2, Sri Harsha, Sri Savya and Sri Ratna. Option B, Sri Harsha is a triploid cassava variety. Next question is, high pressure drip irrigation works at operating pressure of. Options are 30 psi, more than 40 psi, less than 30 psi and 40 psi. Here you need to remember that both the answer, that is 30 psi and less than 30 psi, are correct. So whichever you tick will be marked as correct. Next question is, where does the water vapor exit the plant? Options are xylem, stem, roots and stomata. Option D, stomata is the correct answer, where the water vapor exits the plants. Next question is, which type of carnation is cultivated on a large scale under greenhouse condition? Options are Marguerite, Perpetual, Picotti and Marmission. Option B, Perpetual is the correct answer. Perpetual type of carnation is cultivated on a large scale under greenhouse conditions. Next question is, guava bears fruits mostly from options are 1-year-old shoots, spurs, current season shoots, and very old shoots. Answer is option C, current season shoots. Next question is, rose hips are rich source of vitamin C, chlorophyll, vitamin A, and lycopene. Rose hips are rich source of vitamin C. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, Modi apple Liberty into Gala was introduced in India from options are Italy, Turkey, Poland, and USA. Modi apple Liberty into Gala was introduced in India from Italy. Next question is, which disease mostly occurs in high density planting in banana? Options are Sigatoka leaf spot, Panama wilt, bunchy top, and fingertip. Again, here you need to remember that both the answer, that is Sigatoka leaf spot and fingertip, are correct. So whichever you tick will be marked as correct. Next question is, according to international system, the particle diameter of silt varies from options are 0.05 to 0.002 mm, 0.5 to 0.25 mm, 1 to 0.5 mm, and 2 to 1 mm. So option A, 0.05 to 0.002 mm is the correct answer, which is the particle diameter of silt. Next question is, plant growth regulator for rooting of cutting is, options are IBA, CCC, GA3, and BA. Option A, IBA is the correct answer. It is a plant growth regulator for rooting of cuttings. Next question is, this one is the last question. How many genes have been reported for powdery mildew resistant in pea? Options are single recessive gene ER, two recessive gene ER1 and ER2, one recessive ER and one dominant capital ER, and two recessive small ER2 and ER2, and one dominant capital E small r2. The answer is two recessive small e small r2 and small e small r2 and one dominant capital E small r2 is the correct answer, which have been reported for powdery mildew resistant in pea. Thank you so much guys for listening and watching my video.